Hello everyone, I'm Max and today I want to show you how easy it is to create your custom scoreboard overlay for OBS Studio using Fly Scoreboard plugin. Well, first of all, what we need is the base for this plugin from, um, from GitHub. You can find it on OBS Studio, forum, and Fly Scoreboard. So if we go to download, I will download the zip file for Windows, the last version, save and extract it on desktop inside my overlay. Actually, I'll just put it on desktop as Fly Scoreboard. Okay. Now, let's open it. We have the data folder and overlay. Let's just copy the entire content somewhere else. I'll just put it in FSB overlay, delete this, and let's open this entire folder in Visual Studio Code. So open, desktop, and FSB overlay. Okay. Now let's clean everything from here. We have our base. And let's set it here. Okay. So we have our base plugin JSON. I don't need the logo. Also don't need for home. Okay, let's save. Let's clean everything from here, or just copy everything from the body in a new file just to have it for reference. Okay, so here we have the base of the blank scoreboard plugin. Now, if I go in OBS Studio, in Fly Score Doc, under the settings, and click Browse, Desktop, and open FSB overlay. Let me check if it's this one. No, it's this one. Okay, if I open it, restart the server, and refresh the. Actually, let's restart OBS Studio. Okay, now if I save this and go refresh the browser source, I won't see anything, and we can start building the overlay. But to make this even easier, open the browser source, copy the local web server, and open it in your browser. Okay. Now we are ready to build. We have the most important part. This is the templating system that will build the placeholders. So if I want to show the home team, you will notice we have these placeholders with team X title. That means we are using the home as placeholder. So team X is home, team Y it's away. So if I want to show the home team title, I just write this team x dot title, hit save, and if I refresh the page, I will see the title. Now, let's also clear the HTML and set some basic stuff like color. Just set it to black. Okay. Now if I refresh the page, I have the home title. And now if I go in OBS Studio and go to Teams and rename the team my local team and save, you'll see the placeholder is changed to local team. Same thing goes with the away team. All you have to do is swap to team Y, hit save, refresh, and we have the guest team title. And now if I go to Teams again and change to guest team, hit save and close, you will see it automatically updates to the guest team. Now, the same thing works with the logo, subtitle, and the color. The color is basically text-based color, and you will see in my next videos how to work with that parameter. But now we are going to focus on themes and custom fields. Now that we have our local and guest theme set up, let's go to write the subtitle as well. So temx dot subtitle and theme y dot subtitle. Okay, hit refresh, and there we go. We have the subtitles as well. Now, let's add a custom field. Custom fields are basically home and away based. So you will see here fields XY and the parameter. So fields XY dot X means the value for the custom field that's at the index we give from here. So basically, if I want to set a score, that means I need the fields XY of 0. Let's put it here. So field xy of 0 dot x, that means I want to use the value for home, because home it's our x, away it's y. I can also use the label, and I can also use the visible to create beautiful animations when we show the score. Okay, so let's also show the label just to make it more clear how it works. So fields.xy of 0 dot label, and we just copy this and we use the y. Okay, so for the first custom field, I want to show the value for home and the value for away. Now, if I save this and reload, you can see we have the score. And if I go to OBS Studio and update the values, you can see they are automatically updating with what I write there. Now, let's add the timer. And for the timer, it's even easier because we have the timer object, and again, we have the index based. So we have these timers, and we can use all parameters by just writing timer of 0, for example, initial milliseconds, or last tick milliseconds, or remaining milliseconds. This is already computed by our script, and all we have to do is write the label and the MMSS. That means if I go to here and use timers of 0 label, just leave a space, and timers of 0 dot MMSS, and refresh the page. Let's add a divider actually, and refresh the page. You will see we have our timer, the first half. If we go to configure, we can have a count up or a countdown. And just for the sake of testing, let's also add a new timer. And this will be timer of 2, because we want to use the timer of the position 2, which is the timeout. So we will have a count up and a countdown. Let's set up the countdown from 2 minutes. Hit OK. Let's go back here and save. Reload the page, and as you can see, we have the first half and the timeout. Now, if we go back to OBS Studio, if I start the first half, you'll see the count up. It's working, and individually, if I play the timeout, it starts working individually. So this is pretty much it. How to use the placeholders from the templating system. And just as a tip, I will just grab everything from here, open up Gemini, and let's ask Gemini, can you create a nice overlay with these placeholders and give me the fully updated HTML and CSS code. And let's see what Gemini is going to build for us. Okay, so we have the HTML template, and we're waiting for the CSS. Let's just copy the CSS. Okay, let's save everything. And now let's reload our page, and voila. We have a beautiful scoreboard overlay created in a couple of seconds. So now, if I refresh the browser source in OBS Studio, look what we have here. Beautiful, isn't it? So, guys, if you like this, please check out all my plugins on OBS forum, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.